Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is the straw static electricity experiment. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like this experiment. It really does help my channel. What you need is a bottle, 2 straws, and something to make static electricity like this towel. The setup for this is just taking the 2 straws and rubbing it on the towel for about 20 to 30 seconds. Sometimes you might have to go a little longer if you don't have enough static electricity, but that's about it. And then once you do, you take one of the straws and you put it on the top, centered on top of the bottle. And the second one, you don't touch the straw, but put it right next to it. Ta-da! There it goes. Science in action, which is super cool. So that right there, no matter what direction you want it to go, you just put the straw next to it. It'll stop it like right there on a dime and then redirect it the other direction. It took a very long time before all the static got out of it for me to have to recharge it up. Here's another view on the top, which is pretty cool. So, today is National Static Electricity Day. So happy National Static Electricity Day to you guys. And if you did enjoy this video, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe. It really does help my channel. And thanks for watching. So the science behind this is when the straw is rubbed, the friction charges the straw by moving the electrons on or off of it. The charged straw is brought near the bottle because the straw carries an extra charge. It introduces a charge imbalance into the bottle's surface, or if the bottle is neutral overall. This is also called electrostatic induction at work, right? So why does it work? Electrons are movable on surfaces, especially in insulators when rubbed. This experiment illustrates fundamental concepts like charge transfer by friction, electrostatic induction, attraction between opposite charges.